I am back in country repository GUI, and we are going to code the getCountry of an author API call. Here we want to return a country of an author, obviously. Now to make this useful, we first need to have the actual author. So we would display author details, and one of the details would be the country of the author. So this method doesn't need its own view. Instead, it will be a part of a composite view together with an author. We have two options. Either we first code the author API call and then edit this one, or we can code this one first and then, once we add the author API call, we put it all together. And we'll go with the latter. Just like before, this kind of decisions needs to be part of your planning, otherwise you'll be going back and forth all the time. Alright, so let's code this API call, and I'll just copy everything from the getCountryById method. So I'll select everything inside of there and paste it right here. Of course, we want to return the country, so that stays the same. We have the country DTO. Then we create our client and our base address, which is localhost/API. But the response, of course, needs a different URI, and the API call to retrieve a country of an author needs a URI that passes /authors and also author's ID. That's the ID of the author whose country we want to retrieve. So we'll have countries / after that authors, and then / and instead of country ID, we pass in the author ID. So this is gonna be our full URI, localhost/API/countries/authors/author ID. And believe it or not, that's the only change we actually need. Here we get the result, check if its status code is success, and then we read the content, which is the country of the author, so the country DTO. And at the end, we return the country. And like I said, we do not need any action in the countries controller for this one, because it will not have its own view. Instead, we will use this API call from the authors controller when we put together a complete author detail profile. We could actually place this method into the author repository, but since we are returning a country, I find it better to have it in the country repository, even though it will be actually used from the authors controller. So for now, we're done with this method, and next, let's code the last method in the country repository, which is getAuthors from a country.